Okay, this is the last video for today's lecture, and hopefully this video will be short. And okay, I have already downloaded the file for the day 2 exercise. So I'm gonna click on this file, do a Control and C. So I copy this file, and then go to my current project, do a Control and V. So I'm copying this file to my current project. Okay, so now I have this file included. Okay, this is the file, and then remember you need to change your name here. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do a couple of questions. And the first question, the line below define a octal number, so that is 0, 0, 14. So that's the octal number, and try to print it out. So you simply do print A, right? And then if you run this, and you are supposed to get a decimal number, because 1, 4 as the octal number, that is 12 in decimal. So what happened is, well, it seemed that even though A is defined to be an octal number, to make the result readable, by default Python will show you the decimal number, right? So why you get this decimal number? That is, say, by default Python will print octals as decimal numbers. Okay, so the next thing, output this variable as an octal number. Try to do a OCTA, so it should be like this, OCTA. This means, well, I'm taking the A, I want to print A's value, but I want to force the A to be a octal value before I print it out. So if I run this again, and I will see now I do have the A to be a octal number, right? So that is my answer to the first question. And another question I want to show you is the last one. So get a user's input with the prompt, how old are you? How do you do that? So say age equals input, how old are you? Okay, and then what's the next thing? Print whether this value is greater than 18. So I want to print age greater than 18. So how do you like this solution? So I take the user input, and then I'm going to type a value, and then I'm going to do a comparison, age greater than 18, and then true or false, right? And then let me run this. So and then the program stops here. So when it stops here, it is expecting me to type something. So I'm going to say 35, and I hit enter. Oh boy, I got an error. So type error. That is the greater than not supported between instance of string and integer. What does this mean? So age is a string, because when I type, and then Python will take my input as a string. So age is a string. And then 18 is an integer, right? So I'm using the greater sign between age and 18. That is a string versus an integer. And those two types of objects, they are not comparable. That's a problem, right? So how do we fix that? Okay, I'm not going to continue showing my solutions, but here's a hint. You have to treat or force the age to be an integer. Okay, so those are my solution to one question and the hint to another. And you can continue work on this exercise by yourself. And if you have questions, and remember, I'm holding office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 1:30 to 2:30. And you can also record a video and ask me questions on Flipgrid. And by the way, Flipgrid is really part of our class. The reason is well, I'm trying to have some more communications with you guys, and you need to record videos, and you need to find a camera, and I hope most of you guys have a smartphone with a camera at least. And if you really have some technical problem that you can't do Flipgrid videos, please let me know. Okay, so that's it, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.